I see so many people visiting here and on our Insta, book club, groups, communities, and LinkedIn pages. And I applaud your curiosity and hunger for information. After all, they say that knowledge is power, don't they? But what is the power that they talk about? After all, knowing something doesn't really mean that you will automatically be able to do something, does it? Let me make this easily understandable. Many of us, including me, put on a little more weight than usual in these COVID times. We probably read a whole lot of specialized literature on losing weight, diet, nutrition, and so much more. So now we know a whole lot more, possibly more than in pre COVID times. Here is the point. We know a whole lot more. It is crucial to understand this. We just know a whole lot. Get it? Does knowing change anything? No, it doesn't, right? So then, where is this power that everyone talks about? The key that unlocks the power of knowledge is action. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and I love sharing my dreams, my journey to financial independence and peace of mind. We help women take charge of their finances with financial education that they should have provided you in school or college, but didn't. I have met a lot of women in the last 10 years at Women on Wealth, and I have trained over 4,000 of them. Most of them beginners in their wealth creation journey who focused on implementation and going beyond their reasons, fears, excuses, circumstances, and more. If you want to be a wealth creator or a financially successful woman, you got to stop just learning and start taking action to unlock the magical power of learning. If you've been a regular visitor here, you know many things now. For example, how to save money, healthy financial habits, create an emergency fund, pay off debt, some fundamentals of investing, and so much more. The question is, how much have we implemented? If we haven't implemented anything, then sadly, we are just information junkies. Shifting from being an information junkie to being powerful with money requires a little effort. After all good things require some work, and to be successful with money, you need just a few simple practices. First of all, I want to tell you, as a beginner, you don't need to learn anything on your own. Because you come here and you have to unlearn that. So it is best to just not know anything. You are then that blank slate on which you can rewrite your financial destiny. And second, you don't need to learn everything about money and investments. You can learn a little, implement it, and then learn more and implement. Execution has to be built in your system, as no actions, no financial results. Let me go back to the beginning of this conversation, where we talked about weight and nutrition in these COVID times. I learned a lot from videos, books, and articles. But obviously, it's not enough to just know something. I enrolled in a course that mentored me through this time. I was guided to take actions that forwarded me. I was consistent and disciplined. And now, my friends give me such compliments on my glowing skin, energy levels, weight loss, clarity of mind, and so much more. So here is my invitation. If you would like to be a wealth creator want to be financially secure, plan your retirement, or have any other financial goal, take action and unlock the power of knowledge for yourself and your family. Take charge.